Imagine being able to turn any idea you dream up into a real object, right from your own home. No, it's not magic. It's the incredible world of 3D printing. Today, the technology has advanced so much that even beginners can create complex parts, highly detailed miniatures, or durable prototypes, as long as you pick the right printer. And that's where it gets exciting, because when it comes to print speed, precision, ease of calibration, or even noise levels, not all printers are created equal. Some will waste your time and money, while others will unlock your full creative potential. To save you hours of research, we did the heavy lifting for you. Here are the best 3D printers on the market right now, carefully chosen to suit everyone, from beginners to passionate makers to professional creators. And just a quick reminder before we dive in, if any of these awesome machines catches your eye, make sure to use our links, and it helps support the channel at no extra cost. Ready to find your next creative powerhouse? Let's get started. Number 5, FlashForge Adventurer. 5M Best Value. Let's kick things off with one of the best value printers you can get your hands on. The FlashForge Adventurer 5M. If you're tired of waiting hours for a print to finish, this machine is a total game changer. Thanks to its core XY all-metal structure, it reaches speeds up to 600 millimeters per second and accelerates at a blistering 20,000 millimeters per second squared. In simple terms, print times drop by more than 70% compared to standard models. That means you can tweak designs, run multiple prints, and still have time to actually enjoy your day. And it's not just about speed. The 32 millimeters cubed per second high-flow nozzle heats up to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, giving you smooth, detailed prints even during high-speed runs. Forget about rough edges or messy overflows. The built-in vibration compensation system keeps everything crisp and clean. Automatic leveling, of course. No more manual tweaking and frustrating misalignments. Plus, the Adventurer 5M supports a wide range of filaments like PLA, PETG, ABS, and ASA. Perfect whether you want weatherproof parts or strong functional prototypes. Bottom line, if you want professional quality results without breaking the bank, the Adventurer 5M is the clear winner at this price point. Number 4, Sovol T500, best extra large option. If you're the kind of person who thinks bigger is better, then this one's for you. Meet the Sovol T500, the go-to choice for creators who need massive print volume without giving up precision or speed. With a 500 by 500 by 500 millimeter build area, this machine is built for big ideas. Whether you're working on full-size prototypes, cosplay armor, or printing multiple parts in one go, this printer gives you room to create without limits. And setup? A breeze. It arrives 95% pre-assembled, so you'll be ready to go in just 15 minutes. Perfect for anyone who wants to skip the headaches and jump straight into the action. Under the hood, you've got speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second, paired with a powerful direct drive extruder and an all-metal hot end that reaches 300 degrees Celsius. Translation? You can work with a wider range of filaments, TPU, carbon fiber, ABS, and more, without worrying about clogs or breakdowns. There's also a built-in Clipper firmware system and a 7-inch touchscreen, which make managing your print smoother than ever. Plus, features like Wi-Fi control and LED lighting add that extra layer of convenience. And let's not forget the industrial-grade linear rails and dual-axis support, which keep your print stable and detailed, even at large scales. In short, the Sovol T500 isn't just big, it's smart, stable, and surprisingly easy to use. Number 3, Creality K1 Max, best for miniatures. If you're into miniatures, tabletop models, or anything that requires insane precision, the Creality K1 Max should be on your radar. This machine is built for detail lovers. We're talking 1-micron resolution thanks to its AILI DAR scanner, which inspects the very first layer of your print and stops the job if anything's off. That kind of precision is crucial when even the tiniest flaw can ruin an entire model. It also comes with an AI camera that watches over your prints in real time, spotting clogs, tangled filaments, or any unexpected issues before they turn into disasters. Basically, it's like having a smart assistant, making sure everything runs flawlessly. Speed? No compromises here. The K1 Max hits 600 millimeters per second, with acceleration at 20,000 millimeters per second squared, meaning you'll finish large terrains or batches of models in hours, not days. Perfect if you're running a side hustle or prepping for your next D&D campaign. The dual auto leveling system ensures a perfect first layer every time, so you don't waste time reprinting failed jobs. And with a 300 by 300 by 300 millimeter build volume, you're not limited to just tiny figures. You can build entire structures in one go. And let's not forget the advanced cooling system. A directional fan cools detailed sections as they're printed, keeping edges sharp and preventing any melting or warping, a must-have for miniature work. Bottom line, For anyone chasing clean lines, fine textures, and pro-level miniatures, the K1 Max is a beast. Number 2, Anycubic Cobra S1 combo, best for silent operation. Let's face it, 3D printers can be loud, but not the Anycubic Cobra S1 combo. This machine is built for quiet performance, running at under 50 decibels. That's quieter than your average fridge. So if you're printing late at night, in an apartment, or just value your peace and quiet, this one's a dream. The dual motor core XY structure keeps things not only silent, but incredibly stable. Less vibration means smoother layers, tighter details, and a cleaner final product. But silence isn't the only thing this printer brings to the table. It's also fast and precise, boasting speeds up to 600 millimeters per second and the same 20,000 millimeters per second, squared acceleration you've seen in higher-end models. The new Cobra OS makes the experience feel snappy and responsive, and the setup is just as smooth. Thanks to Level IQ 3.0 auto-leveling, the bed adjusts itself. No wrenches, no headaches. The full metal hot end hits temperatures up to 320 degrees Celsius, and the heated bed goes up to 120 degrees Celsius, giving you flexibility to work with tough filaments like ABS and PETG without warping. Whether you're a beginner or just hate noisy machines, this is one of the most well-rounded options out there. In short, the Cobra S1 combo proves you don't have to sacrifice power to keep things quiet. Number 1, Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo, best overall. At the top of the list, we've got a true all-rounder, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo. This isn't just a 3D printer, it's a power tool for your imagination. Right off the bat, what makes it stand out is its insane acceleration of 10,000 millimeters per second squared. This means it doesn't just start fast, it stays fast, delivering high-quality prints in a fraction of the time it takes most other printers. But speed is only part of the story. The A1 Mini also features precision flow rate compensation, which actively adjusts the extrusion as it prints. The result? Smooth, clean surfaces, even on complex or curved designs where lesser printers leave gaps or ridges. And if you're into color, this one's a game changer. Thanks to the AMS light system, it supports multicolor printing right out of the box. No extra upgrades, no clunky workarounds, just vivid, seamless prints in multiple shades. Setup? Ridiculously easy. It's pre-assembled, comes with automated calibration, and offers a super intuitive touchscreen interface. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned maker, you'll be up and running in no time. And did we mention it's quiet? At only 48 decibels, it's one of the most silent printers on the list. Perfect for home environments or shared spaces. In short, the A1 Mini Combo is fast, smart, colorful, quiet, and incredibly beginner-friendly. If you're looking for the best balance of power, features, and price, this is the one. And there you have it, the best 3D printers you can get your hands on right now. Whether you're chasing speed, precision, silence, or sheer creative freedom, there's a machine on this list that's ready to take your projects to the next level. Remember, if any of these printers caught your eye, check out the links in the description. You'll get access to the latest discounts, and at the same time, you'll be supporting the channel. So huge thanks for that. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Then we've got more awesome product guides and creative tech tips coming your way. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.